Have you ever found yourself trapped in a whirlwind of what ifs? What if I left the stove on? What if I said the wrong thing? For those of us dealing with what ifs OCD, these questions aren't just passing worries. They're persistent thoughts that can disrupt our daily lives. Today, I'm going to share some effective strategies to break free from the chains of this challenging condition. They aren't predictions of the future, nor are they reflections of reality. They are just thoughts. And here's how we can manage them. One powerful technique is mindfulness. This involves observing our thoughts without judgment and letting them pass like clouds in the sky. When a what if thought arises, acknowledge it, and then gently redirect your attention to the present moment. This could be focusing on your breathing, the sounds around you, or what you can see. Another strategy is to write down these thoughts. Sometimes, just the act of writing can help us see how unrealistic or improbable these scenarios are. Once you have them on paper, challenge them. Ask yourself, how likely is it that this will happen? What evidence do I have that supports or refutes this thought? This process is known as cognitive restructuring, and it can significantly reduce the power these thoughts hold over you. Engaging in exposure response prevention, or ERP, can also be incredibly effective. This involves gradually exposing yourself to the source of your fear without performing any compulsions to neutralize or stop the fear. For example, if you're always worried about making mistakes, you might deliberately allow a small, intentional mistake and refrain from correcting it to see what happens. This can teach your brain that the anxiety or outcome associated with the what if is manageable or even baseless. Lastly, remember, it's okay to seek help. Therapy, especially cognitive behavioral therapy, has proven very effective in treating OCD. A therapist can guide you through these strategies in a structured way, tailored specifically to your needs. Breaking free from what ifs. OCD isn't an overnight journey, but with persistence and the right strategies, you can regain control over your thoughts and lead a more peaceful life. You're not alone in this. Support is always available. Let's take this step towards freedom together. Remember, every step you take is progress, and I'm here cheering for you. Keep pushing forward, and don't let those what-ifs hold you back from living your life to the fullest. Thank you for spending these moments with me today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into managing mental health. Together, we can break the stigma and support each other through our journeys. Stay strong and see you in the next video.